I-Chippa United is currently sitting in 11th place on the log with 33 points after playing a draw with Golden Arrows. The Chili Boys will now visit struggling 14th place Royal AM, who are in danger of playing in the playoffs. The Eastern Cape outfit coach Thabo September says that even though Royal AM is not doing well, they have to be determined so that they can climb into the top 8.
I know it's a tough one against the Royal AM. I think they are fighting for relegation, and we have something to fight for as well. We're fighting for the top 8. So yeah, we're going away again. So we have a 10-year celebration coming up, and we want to finish off on a good note for the football club.
September says that there might be a chance for them to play in the CAF Champions League. The coach also mentioned injuries to some of his players.
Yeah, CAF is a great experience for footballers. I think having played in the CAF competitions myself, I think it gives you a lot of experience. It grows you very quickly. You get to understand the traveling problems and all of that you find in Africa, and you grow as a person. So it will be a great opportunity for this football club because yeah, the people of the Eastern Cape as well, they deserve games from to see other teams from Africa coming through to come play here in the Eastern Cape, and if we can give them that opportunity, it will be great for the province. When it comes to tourism as well, it will be good for Eastern Cape, and yeah, hopefully we can do business also in Africa when we're traveling, if that happens. Yeah, the physio room is very busy. I think we've got Mosele still out. Sino is a doubt. We've got Kamis a doubt. We've got Eva a doubt. We've got, who else? Baraka a doubt. We've got Modise a doubt. These are all injuries. So, but we are positive with what we have in the squad that we can put out a 20 that can compete against Royal AM. And
the Chili Boys goalkeeper Stanley Nwabali says he would love to play for one of the top teams in South Africa.
It's really a little bit tough to decide. You know, as I learned something from football, even watching and maybe towards most great players, you end up sometimes making mistakes if a lot of clubs or a lot of teams are desperate, maybe looking for you, because if you are doing well in a country where you're well valued and playing your football, like to me, I see football everywhere. Like I see football, doesn't matter Africa, Europe, it's just different, maybe one or two. But I feel like if I still have a chance to play in South Africa, good for me. Like I'm not worried about it. If I have a chance to play in Europe, I bless God for it. So, but if club is coming, I just wish for nice for me too, and also for my club. So I wish to move to the bigger side. But if it didn't come, I will still be in my club. So I don't have a problem about it.
Gqeberha's very own Snotlolo Gcwabe was awarded the Best Player of the Month in April. Gcwabe says he is elated and honored to have received the award and is grateful to the team.
Ndizijabulile kakhulu ngofumana i-award i-Player of the Month ka-PSL, and it's my first season. Ndijabulisile kakhulu loo nto, ibonisile into yoba ininzi into bendingayenza. Khotmani kwaye ndifuna nobulela i-support endisifumeneke ama-fans eChippa. Loo nto indibonisileyo into yoba ndibalulekile ebantwini. Into yenza ibaluleke ebantwini ngumsebenzi, so bendawucela into yoba umsebenzi endiwenzayo ndiqhubekeke kwaye nezinye izinto ndizi-achieve njengomsebenzi lo ndiwenzayo.
The Chili Boys game against Royal AM will kick off at 3 p.m. at the Harry Gwala Stadium on Saturday. From MPK TV, I'm Pedisam Kendla.